Right, this question says, estimate the value of the following in standard form to one significant figure showing clearly you're working. So we've got 6.4 times 10 to the 7 divided by 2.8 times 10 cubed, and B, the square root of 3.5 times 10 to the 5. So we've got 6.4 times 10 to the 7 divided by 2.8 times 10 to the 3. So first of all, we round these off to one significant figure. So 6.4 will become 6, and there'll still be 6 times 10 to the 7, and it'll be approximately equal to, and then 2.8 will become 3 times 10 to the 3. Now 6 divided by 3 is approximately equal to 2, and then this becomes 10, and what you do is you subtract the power, so it's 10, 7 minus 3, so it gives me an answer that's approximately equal to 2 times 10 to the 4. Right, for the square root's a little bit more tricky. So we've got square root of 3.5 times 10 to the 5. What we're going to do is take the decimal point out. So it will become 3.5 to a whole number, so that will make it 35. So this becomes the square root of 35 by 10 to the 4. Now we notice that 35 is very near 36. So we're looking for sort of a square number, so we can take the square root. So that's going to give me the square approximately equal to 36 times 10 to the 4. Now the square root of 36 is 6, and the square root of 10 to the 4, well, to do that you need to divide the power by 2. So we're going to say the answer is approximately equal to 6 times 10 to the 2. So this has been a video about estimation using standard form and rounding to one significant figure. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.